Chekna Jadwani from IIHM Global Campus, and today we are celebrating the IPL season. Good food and Rinku Sharma's batting on the field is a great combination. So today we are making Nimbu Malai Curry, chicken, tomato paste, gondoraj leaves, onion paste, turmeric, salt for the seasoning, oil, coconut cream for the flavoring, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and lemongrass. Firstly, we'll take some oil in our pan and then we'll saute our onion paste. We don't want the color. We just want to cook and take the raw smell out of the onions. Then we'll put some ginger garlic paste and saute it. Now I'll put the tomato paste to our sauteed onion, and we'll saute this as well. Now we'll add our seasoning and masalas, chili powder and a pinch of turmeric. Now we are adding some lemongrass to our gravy for some kick and the lemon paste. Now we'll add our chicken to the gravy and let it cook until the raw smell goes off. Now we'll add some garam masala and give it a mix. And then for the final touch, we'll add our coconut cream. Now we'll finish it with some gondoraj leaves to infuse the smell of gondoraj. Our dish is ready. Now we'll finally plate and garnish it.